Just look at that transformation. Notice how one clean beard style can completely reshape a man's face. His jaw looks sharper. His features look stronger. His whole presence changes. But here's the problem. Whenever you try to grow a beard, you always run into the same 5 issues. Patchiness, itchiness, uneven growth, dryness, and random shedding. And then you start trying random fixes. Different oils, different balms, different growth products. Most men try to solve beard problems without understanding the real cause. And that's exactly why the beard never improves. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all 5 of these problems the right way. And the best part? The fixes are simple. Let's start. 1. Patchy beard. Patchy beard. Most men think patchiness means bad genetics and give up immediately. But in many cases, the real issue is weak follicle stimulation. Your beard follicles need consistent blood flow and hormonal support. If circulation is poor, the hair grows thin, slow, and uneven. That's why expensive beard oils don't magically fill patches. They soften hair. They add shine, but they don't activate growth. The real solution is stimulation. Massage your beard area daily for 3 to 5 minutes using your fingertips or a soft beard brush. Apply light pressure in circular motions. If you feel warmth, that's increased blood flow. More blood flow means more nutrients, reaching dormant follicles. Stronger follicles lead to fuller growth over time. Density doesn't start with products. It starts beneath the skin. 2. Beard itch. Beard itch. Most men think itchiness means their skin is dry, so they overload it with oil. But it usually happens because new sharp hairs are piercing through the skin's surface. Plus, dead skin cells get trapped under growing hair. Adding heavy oil without exfoliating just clogs everything further. The correct approach is simple. Exfoliate your beard area 2 to 3 times a week. Use a gentle scrub or a soft brush to remove dead skin. Then apply a light beard oil on slightly damp skin, not dry, irritated skin. Clean skin plus light hydration equals less irritation. The simple rule: remove buildup before adding moisture. 3. Uneven growth. Uneven growth. One side grows faster. The other side looks thin, so you keep trimming randomly, trying to balance it out. But beard growth happens in cycles. Different follicles are in different growth phases. If you constantly trim early, you never allow slower areas to catch up. The fix? Stop touching it for 4 to 6 weeks. Let everything grow freely. Then shape it once, after you have real length to work with. Beard structure requires patience, not panic trimming. 4. Dry, rough beard. Dry beard. Most men apply beard oil on completely dry hair and expect softness. But oil doesn't hydrate. It seals. Hydration comes from water. The right method? After washing your face, while your beard is still slightly damp, apply a small amount of beard oil. That locks in moisture inside the hair shaft. For extra softness, use a light beard balm afterward to seal everything in place. The result? Softer texture, less frizz, healthier shine. The simple rule: hydrate first, seal second. 5. Beard shedding. Beard shedding. First, relax. Losing a few beard hairs daily is completely normal. Hair naturally sheds and regrows in cycles. But if shedding feels excessive, the cause is usually internal. Low protein intake, vitamin deficiencies, high stress levels, poor sleep. Your body prioritizes survival over beard growth. When nutrients are low, hair becomes secondary. The solution is internal support. Eat enough protein daily. Include zinc, biotin, and iron in your nutrition. Manage stress. Sleep properly. A strong beard is built from the inside first. The simple rule: fix shedding internally, not just externally. That's it. The 5 ways to fix your beard while growing it out. But remember this: most men don't fail because they can't grow a beard. They fail because they don't follow a system. Random products won't create structure. Random advice won't create transformation. A system will. What you learned today is just one piece of a bigger blueprint. And soon, I'm releasing a complete, structured grooming plan. No guessing, no hacks, no confusion. A real system. Stay ready.